Pranjala, and no, this is not the devil look you're here for. I just made it real, so bear with me. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Okay guys, so we're gonna start with painting our face red, and I'm using this YOLO palette from Cuffs and Lashes, and that's the red shade we'll be using. I'm just swatching this on my face in a funny manner. I don't know why. Maybe गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा ही लग रही थी उस time. Let it be guys. And then I'm just blending this with my fingers as much as I can. We will go in with a brush, so yeah. So that day when I sat to film this look, I had too active acne on my face. So for that I used acne patches. That's why you can see something weird there. Yeah, but we'll cover that up. And then I went in with this brush to blend the color out. I also covered my neck and ears because yeah, obviously. We'll have to set our face a lot of times in this look because we have used oil paints, and oil paints need to be set with a good loose powder. So here I'm using the Color Essence HD loose powder. I'm going to use this so many times in the video, so just know that I'm using this powder. Then I use this little paint brush because it's easier to get in small places with this one. So yeah. So now it's time to highlight our face, but not with a concealer, with the white face paint. So I took a fluffy brush and I'm just highlighting all the important areas. We are done. It's time to contour, and we are taking a black face paint for that. So contouring everywhere where it's required. So I took a little extra black over there, and because of blending, our red face paint came off a little. That's why I went back in with the red face paint. So yeah, you can do that whenever it happens, no worries. When you're contouring, do not forget your collarbone and everywhere where it's required over your neck as well, because we would like all our features to pop up. Okay? I did a little bit of contour on my nose as well, but not too much, just a very subtle contour. And after that we're going to go and highlight once again using the same white face paint that we used earlier, but this time we're also going to go under our contour lines. Told you that we need to set our face a lot of times, so here I am setting my face once again. एक तो गर्मी बहुत है, so oil face paint है तो melt भी हो जाएगा, so you need to set a lot of times. We are finally done with our base. Let's move on to our eyes. We're starting with eyebrows. So I took the black face paint and I'm just going to fill my eyebrows. And I did a little thicker brow than usual. So for the eyes, I went in with a gel liner. This one's from Music Flower, and I covered my whole lid with it. Did a very easy eye look, and then went in with this Glam eyeshadow stick for the lower lash line. So the eye look was pretty basic, and I wanted to add some sparkle, so I used this liquid eyeshadow from Mars, and this actually added that pop that I really wanted in my devil look. Even in my head, I was not going for a scary devil. I was going for a glamorous devil look. That's why I'm doing this sparkle thingy. For the mascara, I went in with this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara for both my upper and lower lashes. And then it's time for some drama. So these are the lashes I went for. Finally, I got a chance to wear a dramatic lash. I was so excited. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I love it. Okay, so what am I doing here? Setting my face once again. Told you already in the beginning. Okay, let me just set my face now. And the neck. And the ears. Yeah, everywhere. And now it's time for the lips. So for the lips, I'm using this kohl pencil from Blue Heaven, and I just lined my lips with this. I also smudged this kajal inwards so it gives a little ombre effect. It looked pretty on its own, but then I went in with this red lipstick just in the middle of our lips, and finally, to top it off, a gloss, a clear gloss for the win. And our look is complete. I love this look so much, and you tell me, how do you like it in the comment section down below. And this is the devil right here, but we need some red light. Here you go. Alright guys, this was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also hit the bell icons that you never miss out on any of my videos. Follow me on Instagram for all the updates, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.